Education Minister Rakam A. Sangma has said that government schools engaging proxy teachers will be dealt with firmly. He said the state government cannot allow these schools, mostly lower primary, to run with proxy teachers, requesting the teachers to not let the quality of teaching be decided by the salary drawn, but by commitment and responsibility. He requested the teachers across the state to shoulder the responsibility to provide quality education and produce quality individuals and leaders. He advised teachers who might have lost interest in teaching to go for voluntary retirement service and pursue whatever they were interested in. Meanwhile, he also informed that the state government will conduct a study with the aim of regulating the fee structure of schools and colleges in the state which are supported by the government.
That your responsibility should decide, and your result will be the testimony of your service tomorrow. I heard in many of the government LP school, proxy teachers is happening. We will not allow all this to happen, and we will make sure our officers inspect and visit the institutions, and we will make sure that every teacher is on the job. And because if you neglect as a teacher, if you neglect to go to the duties, you are destroying the future of your children, of your community. Therefore, I would like to request the teachers across the state, let us soldier this responsibility in giving the best education to our children.
Army Chief General Manoj